our underground coal mining methods,
Good morning, sir.
MN2102, on this lecture number 4 on 17th January 2022 in this typical Omicron COVID-19 period. Now let me know before starting the class whether you are able to see my screen. Is my screen visible? Then I will start continuing the class.
Yes, sir.
Is my screen visible? I am making it full screen.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. And let me take your attendance. This attendance is taken, a download attendance. And already I started recording. Now, continuing with our lecture, online lecture, lecture number 4 on the we are discussing about development of mineral deposits, and that is to all our beloved students. I hope you must have seen all these messages which I have sent to you after this excellent celebration of Sankranti festival with all precautions against COVID-19, 20, 21, 22, Omicron, etc. Now we are there here at this class, lecture number 4. Now, before knowing anything more, we also should see, I don't know whether you could see many sections in our Indian coal major strata. In coal major strata, some of the borehole section here is, now you can see, as I hope I have also shown previously sometimes, mainly it consists of, along with the coal, sandstone, clay, or it can be sandstone of different type, whether it is a fine grained, medium grained, and coarse grained, and so many things like that. And in that way, this is, in addition to that, the section generally shown here, suppose if the seam is of 9 meter, 8 meter, 7 meter, whatever it is, then they are also in general shows in such a way that any section which is now development section, because we have to decide which section we want to develop out of the total thickness of the seam. That is also a part of you understanding the development of the seam, whether it is a primary development, secondary development, or tertiary development. These type of issues I have not gone in much details, my beloved students, before, because part of it was already discussed in the previous semester as a part of development of mineral deposits or introduction to mining or whatever it is, or mine development, whatever the course name. So it was supposed to be learned in that. So taking it for granted that you learned that, then I was trying to tell you something more with more practically relevant information on our underground coal mining methods. This is one of the typical situations where we used to design many mining methods throughout, of course, with my little experience of 35 years. Here, this is even in the coal seam itself. This can be, you see carbonaceous shale inside that, sandstone and coal, whatever, adjoining to that in the nether roof. Generally, we call it as a nether roof. There's NETHER, that is the immediate roof, whatever it is. This is very, very important point, my beloved students. You should note down somewhere while deciding the horizon for development, mine development. You should decide based on whenever you are developing that, let it be a primary development, secondary development, or while during the extraction process, right? Even many investigators or many of our scientists, right? My colleague scientists otherwise in CMRS, or maybe from NIOSH, maybe from USBM, CSIRO, RMT, or so many other organizations throughout India or in the world. So they must have used even primary development, secondary development, tertiary development. I can say tertiary development means while extraction of the pillar, again we are splitting the pillar. right? And then slicing it. So all these also can be considered as a tertiary development, right? Otherwise, primary means we are just entering into the seam, that is the entry to the mine, and then making the trunk roadways, primary development, right? Secondary development, then you may be preparing in such a way that that will be inside a panel size of this panel, this much size of the coal, pillar, so many things will be there. So while doing all these, care should be taken so that even a clay in the immediate roof may cause a lot of problems. So you should avoid having immediate roof as a clay. That maybe sometimes can be kept along the floor or inside the floor or adjoining. Many mines are there where from the floor level 0.5 meter, 0.7 meter, then clay is there. Like that, there are so many things. Okay, then in that way, you should design, you should plan for selecting the horizon of the development itself. And in that way, I wanted to show these things to you, my beloved students. And then continuing further, as I told you, of course, I can give you a number of examples already I told you, but one simple example I am showing you of a panel recently what your senior scholars or PhD scholars or MTech or BTech scholars, those who are really interested in field-oriented research and academics, they used to come with me to the mines and then learn more of the problems being faced in the mining industry in India, if not in the world, right? And some of those I am showing to you instead of taking you to the age-old books which are written 50 years back, 30 years back with the experience of 100 years back, or with the references of international whatever it is of 100 years back. I am not giving that much importance to that. But with some fundamental knowledge, we should get it from the previous books or whatever it is. But to deal with the present problems of the mining industry in India, if not in the world, and that you should become as one of the best students of underground coal mining methods. Now, these reserves in this one example, what I am showing here is a panel and how it was developed. All those details I will be giving to you so that instead of becoming a monotonous showing something of a theory and all, you will be knowing about the practical problem of what we are dealing with at present and maybe in the last year or maybe whatever, right? Then the reserve in the panel was around 1.74 lakh tons, very less, 0.17 million ton, 0.2 million ton. Out of that total reserve, only 0.14 million tons is extractable one. And what happens to the other part of the reserve? And here itself, let me ask you a simple query. Anybody can respond. And why the difference of this total reserve and extractable reserve in any panel? Anybody may respond.
Sir, due to the safety issue.
First, you should tell your name.
Sir, my name is Asmer.
It is being recorded and will be played anytime, even if you are retiring till your last breath. This will be there in YouTube, available to everybody in the world. Tell your name and then answer.
Sir, my name is Asmer. As our mining development stars said that reserve and resources are two things. We only extract the resources of coal, not reserve the coal, because reserve is that deposits run and looking after economic factor and different safety factor, we only extract the reserves that into extractable reserves. That
very good. Anybody else? Ayush has given one. Anybody else want to say about it?
So this is
why the difference between these two?
Yes, sir. So actually during depillaring process.
Tell your name first. Tell your name first. I generally give instruction only once.
Yes, sir.
I know my students are punctual.
Yes, sir. This is Aryaman Biswal. Sir, during depillaring process, various coal seam is left for safety purposes. Otherwise, the roof might fall. So those can't be extracted. So therefore.
That's okay. Very good. ठीक है. बाकी मैं बताऊंगा. ठीक. It's okay. Very nice. I appreciate you both. Others, I don't think they don't know, but there may be some problem in their connectivity, so they are unable to talk. Don't worry for that. Here, very simple reason. here is, as both of our Ayush and the whatever, right? They said rightly, in general, resource is different, reserve is different. Out of that reserve in that panel, and extractable reserve is different. That through plan also I will show. Before showing that, to make it very simple to any layman, right? So reserve, it may be 4 pillars, 10 pillars, 20 pillars, right? Out of that, some part of the pillar you have to leave. You have to leave as the barriers. You have to leave even to protect some type of disturbance. Disturbance may be there in between, right? As a natural being to face it and then solve that. And that may be faults. That may be some type of geological disturbances. Then you have to leave some coal. Again, is that, or it can be because of some other problems, right? Like on the surface, there may be some national highway. There may be some very good building, right? Whatever it is, surface to be protected. And that comes on the plan exactly under, over this panel. Then you have to leave that pillars. I hope everybody understood. Yes, no? Those who have not
Yes, sir.
responded, they should
Yes,
tell
sir.
me they
Yes, sir.
understood or not. Now, you should
Yes,
tell
sir.
the name,
Yes,
and then,
Yes, sir.
then only I can understand that my voice is audible. And one more thing, my beloved students, today I am on quarantine at my home, right? So you cannot use my office phone, 0661-246-2611. And my mobile has a problem. I could not use that. So 9938-303259, I am unable to use because of some problem in the mobile. So tomorrow I don't know if it is I can use it. So now we go with this. I hope there should not be any connectivity problems. We will go for that. And any doubts, of course, you can also you can ask me, right? And as I told you, and we follow in our classes, and those who could not join or who could not join in previous classes must have seen YouTube links already prepared by the class representative and made available to everybody in this world. You must have seen that, where after 30 minutes you should remind me, so that you will be given 2-3 minutes for the break, and then at that time we will discuss any doubts and some questions, whatever it is. And at the end, 5 minutes before, you should remind me again when there will be summary of that and any doubts, all these things. Okay. Now, this panel, as I told you, my beloved students of underground coal mining methods, this panel we started in 2020. That's why I told you I want to bring to you the recent information. What is happening as far as your subject of underground coal mining is concerned in India, right? Already I told you, because I reiterate once again and again, now this is a thrust area of research in India. And this has been re-advocated, reiterated many times, even by chairmen of Coal India, many CMDs of directors, so many people, right? And we work together with so many companies to design so many new mining methods. All those things, of course, I have given a gist of it, and many things we'll be discussing. And I would like you to become expert by the end of the semester to design, redesign, learn, unlearn, and relearn, and then give more innovative mining method to solve the problems of underground coal mining. 99% of underground coal mining in India is at loss. That is at loss, and you have to come out as a smart mining engineers, underground coal mining engineers, to solve this. I am there with you to solve this type of problems, my beloved students of underground coal mining methods. And this is what I am trying to show some of this. Now, this is that example. This is one BG blasting gallery, which we have been investigating, and even final report, even I have to submit, right, within a couple of months, right? So, of course, this was completed last year, and already I have shown you when this panel started. And regarding detailed methods, of course, we will go, but at this present time, I would like to bring to you, my beloved students, that how this primary development, secondary development, tertiary development, and also the extraction of the pillars is supposed to be carried out in the technology where India lost, right? I say with my limited experience, I confess the limitation as a scientist, for about 2 decades, where we still require the help of our smart mining engineers, you people in future, to solve these type of problems. And these are, this you can see now, when it comes to primary development, as I already shown you, I'm just taking you back to the total mine plan. Yes, now this is that which I have shown last time. I was not showing, but now you must have seen the primary development. What is the meaning of primary development is. Here itself, I am not writing everything here. You should note down, my beloved students, on your notebook, where this primary development, including entry into the mine. Here it is through the inclines. Now you can see. This is the green color total mine lease area, where it is about 3 to 4 kilometers along the strike direction, and then dip direction, maybe around 2-3 kilometers. And this entry is by, as you can see, my cursor, this is through our whatever the inclines you are able to see. This is a primary development from the entry. Then we started developing into the pillars, and this now you should note down now here itself that this can be a development, can be a part to the whole or whole to the part. That means from the beginning I can develop into the pillars from my main heading itself. Now you can see here that has been a traditional method which was done by our forefathers and great our previous age-old ancient mining engineers and mining experts. But that is a very bad system of development, where we should go for, instead of developing from the part to the whole. Now that means what? From the beginning itself, if you are making development like this, I entered the coal seam here, my seam touched here. I hope, are you able to see my screen and the cursor? Yes, no, anybody?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Very good.
This is
So,
Shashwat Tripathi. See, excuse me, sir.
Tripathi.
Sir, we can have our
Yes.
break for 2 minutes. Sir.
Now it is 30.
Yes, sir.
9:30. Very good, nice. So I break it here. I take your attendance. Meanwhile, now you should ask any queries. Later I will be showing you so many things. Even already I have taken you into the underground mines where we used to do a lot of investigations. Even all that photo reports, so many things are there, but let me take attendance. Yes.
Sir,
Meanwhile,
my
ask
name is
your
Sir,
doubts. Yes.
Sir, my name is Asmer. I have a question that what is the BGK4B? Like what is the meaning of that code?
Very good, nice. Then any other questions? Because in this question hour, I mean, this 2-3 minutes of question time, I want to take maximum questions, more and more questions. Then I will address everybody and give the answers for that. So that will be useful for everybody. Yes, my beloved
Hello,
students.
sir.
Any other questions? Yes.
Hello,
Right.
sir. I am Saksham Raj. Sir, I was
Yes.
asking why most of the coal minings are at loss, as you said.
Very good. Nice question. Next, any other question? One by one, I will be addressing. Meanwhile, let me have any other queries. No other queries? Then it's all right. So now coming to the query 2, last but not least, right? Okay. You see, the cost of production, I am giving you the example of where we are doing investigation at present, right? You can take the example of Mahanadi Coalfields, which is the nearest mine. When you come back here, I will be taking you to that mines where we are doing a lot of investigations for their designs, whether it is support, mining method, whatever, right? Where cost of coal production is more than 3,000 rupees. Can you imagine? Right. Then sale value of that coal is not more than around 1,500 to 2,000. That means loss in the cost of production itself per 1 ton. We are losing more than 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. Right? I have given a worst known where I was involved in the investigations. Right. And coming to the overall situations in India, in the overall situation, only out of total production, whatever we are achieving in the world, in India, not in the world, let us not worry much about the world. Let us go from local to global. Right. So in India, we are getting maximum production for open cast mining. And you know very well, in future, open cast mining reserve will be depleted. You may not go beyond some depth, maybe 500 meters, 600 meters. You now, with great thanks to mechanical engineers, civil engineers, electronics engineers, computer scientists, computer science and engineering, CSE, ECE, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, we are able to develop, we are able to mine our open cast mining with heavy earth moving machinery. Otherwise, it was a dream 30, 40, 50, 60 years back, going so much deep with open cast mining. Otherwise, all should be worked by underground mining only. And now, already I told you, I think now you should also respond to me. What is the deepest depth where in the world we are mining by underground coal mining? Anybody should respond. Already I told about this. What is the deepest, that is the highest depth?
Kilometer in China.
Exactly, very good. But you should tell your name, Mayank. You should not feel shy. You should not feel shy. I need not see your name on this display. You can also show, if you are comfortable, your beautiful face also in between if you are interested while asking, because everything is recorded and will be converted into YouTube and made available to everybody in this world, right? And will be, our main purpose is not to show to the world, but to our students, beloved students of 2102, who are unable to join because of connectivity problem, what we face many times in our own colony or in our own whatever, right, system where we are. That is a purpose. So your CR must have created the YouTube link of this and kept it so that anybody everywhere in the world, they can watch it and see it. Okay, continuing with that. Yes, in the overall situation, right, as our Mayank said rightly, the world, we are going even up to 1.1, 1.2 kilometers depth. But in India, we could not go even beyond 600 or whatever. But now, different coal fields, including ECL or SC, Singareni coals, whatever. There is no other than wall for which we should go about it. All that we will discuss further. And one more thing here is, as the question was related to loss of the mining, and this loss, the gravity of the loss, extreme case I told you, otherwise 99% of these mines are running under loss. First time I heard in my collieries where I worked 35 years back as a machine mining district in charge of the largest underground mine in southern India with the latest at that time semi-mechanized mining methods, right? Where first time one of the mines was the GDK10, where it was told that it has achieved some profit. Otherwise, all other mines, and few may be there in ECL, SECL. I'm not giving that examples. That happened 20 years back, right? So otherwise, 99% of underground coal mines are running under loss. Then there may be some another question. If they are running under loss, why not it should be closed? Why they are working? Then the best answer is the future is only underground mining, my beloved students. And you, the smart underground mine managers, I am looking for. And maybe after 30 years, you should be in the CMD or chairman of many coal fields, or of course, directors and GMs, everybody will become. And you should be the chairman. You should be the CEOs of many, many premier institutions, organizations to take decisions in innovative mining methods to be implemented, my beloved students, right? So we cannot stop those mines. And one more important point here is sustainability. Sustainability of any industry. Mining industry should be made sustainable in the international scenario, even when UN Agenda 2030, whatever you can see. Of course, so many things we can discuss. Whether this is answers satisfying you, my beloved student? कौन पूछा था जी?
Yes, sir.
नहीं, आपका नाम बताइए.
Sir, Saksham Raj. My name is
Saksham. Now you could understand properly this.
Yes, sir.
Why
Sir,
we
so
are
in
working and what is the status
Sir.
of underground coal mining in India and in the world. Right. Coming to the next question. Next question और एक बार पूछिए जी. Who asked the next question?
Sir, Ayush, I asked the last question.
Ayush. Yes, Ayush. Right.
Sir, that code that given that BG4 K4B, what did that mean? What is the meaning of that code?
BG4, right?
K4B.
K4.
As you show in slides, sir, what is the meaning?
Right. Now, are you able to see this screen, my beloved students?
Yes, sir.
Right. What is the title? Can you read the title? Can you read this title? Anybody?
Scientific data.
Then I appreciate the person who asked the questions, and I don't blame anybody who is not asking question because they may face some problem in the connectivity. They could not talk. That's all. Right. Read it. Anybody who can read. Yes.
Scientific study of strata behavior and GOF atmosphere in BG K4A K4B panels of GDK11 in inclined GR1 area and SCCL. What does mean the code?
Very good. ठीक है. ये एक हिंदी गाना है. ठीक है आयुष. ठीक है. अच्छा, वो पढ़ने में गलती किया आयुष ने. कौन बता सकते हैं क्या गलती किया? Anybody? RG1. इसलिए मैं हिंदी गाना आपको पूछा था. ठीक है. तो गाने में क्या होता है? Whether it is left or right, आगे पीछे बाएं दाएं होता है ना. गाना है. मुकेश का है या किसका है? किशोर कुमार का है. Very good गाना. So it doesn't matter RG1 or GR1, but RG1 is Ramagundam Area 1 of the Singareni College Company Limited. ठीक है आयुष. No problem. Don't worry. That is just to feel you light. Right. So these are that panels. Okay. In the text, in the title page of my report itself, I kept it here. This final report I will be sending within a month. Now you can understand what type of recent information I want to bring to my beloved students. Right. So this is a K4A panel and this is K4B panel. Right. This total is K4 panel. Total. This red color. I hope you are understanding, right? Then here this is a green the green color hatch portion is the whatever I am showing through my mouse. That is the what is this? Barrier pillars. Okay, and then in between these two, K4A and 4B. Otherwise, in the beginning, we planned for only one panel to be extracted. But because of some problems, what we faced in the previous experimental trials in the blasting gallery panel, so there were mine fires. And we used to prematurely close the panels and spending crores of rupees we are leaving to Mother Earth with love, with pleasure, whatever you say. Our Mother Earth is giving coal to us and we are taking just like a milk taken from the baby taking milk from the mother. We were taking it, but we are unable to give the pleasure to our mother. So we could not take out all that coal. So because of the fires, we made it into subpart A and B, 4A, 4B. And K, of course, this is up to you. Ayush, you can give it as a ABCD. If it's Avanti, degree A, B, C, whatever, and that was given K, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, whatever. Okay, it can be M, N. This is the way how terminology is given, or the notations, or they are signified in that way, significance are termed in that way, the panel name, right? Now you followed, Ayush, your doubt is clear. Shall I
Yes,
show
sir.
something more?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is from the title, right? But for my beloved students, all our students also, I would like to show a little bit more and then come back. And how much time is left, let me know, my beloved students. Because my watch, mera Buddha watch hai, that is showing something else, right? It is showing 9:45. I don't
Yes,
know whether it is right
9:45,
time or
sir.
not. Very
Yes,
good.
Yes, sir,
But you
it's
should
correct.
remind me at 9:55. Okay. So in that 5 minutes, I will show this, and 5 minutes more, I will should go into our continuity of our text through that PPT. Okay. And here itself, we can see some of the latest technologies we were experimenting through our PhD scholars, wireless sensor networks for monitoring of GOF atmosphere. This is the GOF atmosphere control, right? Through inertization by carbon dioxide and nitrogen flushing plants. And these you can see some of our beloved scholars, including you may be seeing some ladies also, right? She is Singham Jayadarshana from MIT and CET Bhubaneswar from instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and communication, working her project in this as electronics and instrumentation engineer, doing project for this underground GDK11 mine, working on wireless sensor networking for communication of this data, and others are HODs and deans of R&D, computer science, and so many people are there in that. Just showing that to you, my beloved students. I am not showing you all the report, but only some plans. Already I've shown you this plan. This is a total mine, how it was developed, and this is a place after development. These are the panel locations. This is a K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, all those things. K5 we discontinued because of some problem in K4A and 4B itself. And now you can see, this is the same section I was showing you. And the continuity I'm showing you, my beloved students. And this is that K1, K2, K3. And then you can see different locations of these panels. And now you can see this K4A and K4B, how it looks like, and K1, 2, 3, 4, how it was worked. And the total panel could be extracted in K2, but in K1, K3, we faced some problem. Because of that fire, we made it a smaller size panel. Now you must have understood, my beloved students, of that. And the same thing I was trying to show you. And this is that panel, how it was extracted. The details, of course, in the mining methods, I will show ring blasting and how it is done, and how these thick seam mining methods evolved, developed in India, and our role since 1980s as a scientist in CMRS, where in East Katras, when we introduced the same blasting gallery method, we failed in Eastern coalfields and also in Bharat Coking Coal Limited, and how we passed, or how we could conduct with some innovative methods, solving some strata control problems in Singareni collieries, and how we failed, and DGMS recognized, or DGMS abandoned this as a method of mining. All those details we will go into. Details with the latest what is happening. Of course, this is how the support systems and other things designed and then developed for that mines. Since I am showing the report, just I am showing to you, my beloved students, how it appears. Now you can see the total panel with hydraulic supports, and then how the roof is supported in the splits made, and then you can see how this instrumentation, that's what is observational approaches we follow in K4A, K4B panels. These are the observations with instrumentation done over a couple of years, and still I told you this analysis in progress that I will be bringing to you, my beloved students. All this I am showing to you, and I think this much is sufficient for you. This is the faults. Now you can see, my beloved students, on this side of the fault and that side, what are the problems we face in the pillar, and how to design support and method, so many things. And now you can see faults, how that is affecting the galleries, and how to orient the galleries, and how these pillars, ribs, how it looks like, in the faults in different panels, pillars, and how it was analyzed, how we have taken care in the investigation. All that anyway, I will be giving you the details, inspection and supervision, how it is to be done. When you become the managers, when you become chairmen, general managers, CMDs or chairmen, whatever you become, you should know all these things, and you cannot learn later at this stage. You should learn to deal with all these problems. And this is what is the system, what was followed, and this is the system, what was followed in dealing with the fires, mine fires. We lost many agents in dealing with mine fires in India. In my Singareni colonies when I was working, we lost one deputy general manager in the fire problem. While going for the rescue, we lost the life of even very senior people. We lost it. So all these things you should know very well, my beloved students of underground coal mining methods. All this is a data of that fires, of the total system with conclusions. Of course, I will be modifying this. I will be bringing to you, my beloved students. That's what just I wanted to bring to you, since you asked a nice doubt. And now continuing with this, yes, in this, let me make it full screen for your good visibility. Right. This is what from the report already I've shown you. I can show depending on time. In this lecture already I was discussing only these issues of the same panels what I have shown. Now you must have got these questions by our Ayush and others. They made me also to say something more about it. And I hope this has thrown some great good light as sunlight is coming just now. I opened my window here, my beloved students, after this Sankranti, I could see. Already I told you, now I am unable to use my mobile, 9938303259. Don't worry for that. You can ask me queries through email or through this MS Team, whatever. The same thing I told you, this is about the details of the total panel. In that panel now you can see, this is the available, what is the panel size, and then you can see minimum depth, maximum depth around 280 meters is the depth cover, and angle of line of extraction around 55 degrees, and then average, whatever the details are there. I have tried to give it here, size of the pillar around 50 meter, and then width of the galleries around 4.2 meter, height of the galleries around 2.8 meters. And this is this is just for the development gallery and development workings, starting with from this whatever I was trying to show you for the board and pillar development thing. I would like to reiterate once again, this development can be from the part where from the development working itself, you can start developing, getting the coal production. And then that is one way which our forefathers followed, but that was a wrong system, which was proved by our smart mining engineers. Now, you people, you should not do that mistakes in future. It is better to develop from the whole to the part. That means ultimately this is in one way from whole to part means now you are reaching through some trunk roadways instead of developing like this. You just forget that this is a total leasehold area, and you forget that there is any development. Then now you imagine to develop this, because you should know how to solve the problem of future. So your problem is given to you with this of mine lease area, how to develop. Then if you are going with the incline like this, then you should reach through trunk roadways up to the boundaries. And from there, that means now you have reached to the hole. And from there, you start preparing the panels, that panel size. And then you decide what should be the panel size. You decide what should be the pillar size and what should be the support systems, everything. And that is the way how you should develop properly. And one more way of development, what you already read about it, that's why I am not writing anything, but you should write down, my beloved students of underground coal mining methods. Here, it can be horizon development or it can be in-seam development. Here, this is in-seam development. As you have seen, suppose these are the seams. Already you know in your PA marks, this is recorded in my notebook, right? This pen is also here inside, you must have seen. Suppose these are the seams. right? And in these seams you are developing, that means if it is highly inclined like northeastern coalfields or some other places, then you can go with a shaft somewhere. Suppose these two are the seams, 3, 4, 5, whatever. It can be in the like Chasnala mines, in Jeria coalfields, Raniganj coalfields, BCCL, ECL, whatever the name you take. Even it can be horizon development where you can have a shaft, right? And shaft in general is better to go along the floor, and then horizon development and later reaching to the seams, just like a metal mining, later in seam development. Otherwise, it can be outcropping or it can be incropping at different depths. Part of it can be extracted by open cast mining, and other part it can be extracted by underground mining. It can be a combination of it. There are so many mines nowadays. We are converting so many underground mines into open cast mines because of, already I told you, my beloved students, because of less cost of production. It can be around 500 rupees per ton by open cast mining, and sale value is around 1500 to 2000 rupees per ton. So it is very easy to understand, not by just mining engineer, by any layman. And that is the reason why now blocks have been purchased by those people who are in charges for a cloth merchant, or who are in charges are a landowner, you are in charge as a great farmer who knows cultivation, vegetation, or agricultural. They are also purchasing the blocks and mines without knowing anything about mining, and depending on you, my beloved students, on you, my beloved mining engineers, and you should know about all these fundamentals, all these things in Indian mining situations, where you should learn to solve the problems, any problems. And coming to underground coal mining problems, in this class, I hope you learned something more. And if you have any doubts, now I think I should break at this. What is the time CR should say now?
Sir, this is Devi Prasad Rana, CR. Sir, it is going to be 9:56.
Very nice. It's an excellent timing. And now, because मेरा तो बुढ़ा वॉच था एक इधर घर में, वो पुराना वो लार्ड बालाजी का नीचे रहता है वो, तो बालाजी जितना दूर रहता है तो वॉच भी उतना दूर है, तो I don't believe on that. ठीक है. So now it is 9:55, but that is showing 9 o'clock. इसलिए I told you I don't believe. Right. Now, any doubts? Now 5 minutes time, 2 minutes for doubts, any clarifications, and another 3 minutes for you people to summarize in total what you learned today. Yes, my beloved students. Meanwhile, let me take your attendance. Yes. I downloaded your attendance. Now let me know any doubts. If there are no doubts, I can continue further for some more time. Otherwise, while summarizing by some of our beloved students, right, securing more marks, TA marks for today, okay, then also people can ask any doubts. Otherwise, also I can continue something more without wasting our time. Time very precious, my beloved students. Your watch may be showing future time, but it should not run late. That's what I learned from my elders since my childhood. That's why I told you my watch is showing 9:93, but exact time was 8:55 or 8:57, whatever, right? If any watch shows late, उसको निकाल के डस्टबिन में फेंक दीजिए. Watch may show future time. It should not show, because you cannot get back your time. So let us not waste our time so that you will repent later in the life. ठीक है. Any doubts? Who is summarizing now? Otherwise, I will continue further.
Sir, myself, Suryakant.
Suryakant is asking a doubt or summarizing?
No, sir, I can summarize, sir.
Very nice. Okay. So Suryakant is summarizing now. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, we started with a view of a bore sections of 3 seam and 4 seam, where the cross section has been shown of different layers of sandstone, coals, and cells with different levels. Then we move to a BG panel of K4A and K4B, where we seen that the total reserve and extractable reserves and when it has started and the recent dates when the research has been done. And then we discuss about the resource and reserves. And in the reserve, there are two types, like what are extractable and what are not extractable. Then we discuss about why they are not extractable due to some safety reasons and regulations, protocols. They are not extractable. Then we discuss about primary development, secondary development, and tertiary development. Like in the primary development, how in the entering time the extraction has been done, and in the tertiary development when during the depillering and the splitting of the pillars, how the extraction has been done. Then we have some questions like why minings are going under losses and what is the meaning of K4A and K4B. Sir, you showed a map of that panel, BG panel K4A and K4B, that scientific study of strata behavior and the GOP atmosphere of GTK 11 incline in RG1. Then we in the last we discuss about the panels and panel size, the what are maximum depth, minimum depth, average size of the pillar, width of this plate gallery, and what is horizontal development with shaft letter into inseams. Yes, sir. That's what.
Any doubt? Other doubts? Surekant nicely summarized. Any doubts you may ask? Otherwise, today's questions were why underground mining is under loss. ये तो under है तो rhyming बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है? And what was the next question today? It's okay. And question for you is, it is a homework for you, or somebody can answer now itself. If you are not asking question, then question will be posed to you. If you are unable to utilize your time and opportunity, then you have to work as per others' plan. If you don't have your plan and your activity, and that is the nature of the law of the nature. That's why I prefer, and I used to tell my beloved students or anybody in the life to be proactive, plan, and then try to implement, and don't be under the slave of anybody's plans. You should have your own plans. And now your time, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, one question to you for your homework is, what other methods than discussed today are known to you, for mine development? Of course, in UCM, I am not talking about other things, in underground coal mine. So this is your homework question. You should discuss with me. Somebody can write in this itself. This is a homework question for you, my beloved student. Homework question. It is not an assignment. You know about the assignments. Acha, I forgot to tell you. By this time, you should be ready with assignment topics. So now, by the end of this week, assignment topics should be there in a file. It should be there in a file with CR. And you know, if you have any doubts about the assignment topics, you can talk to me. And once that file is there with CR, then I will display that. And those things, what we do is, those things can be discussed. And if there is a similarity of any subject, we will change that topics. And we will try to help those who are unable to find out, those who are unable to plan, those who could not understand properly how to select the problem and solve it, and we will be helping them, and our other students will be helping them. And this is what is a takeaway for today. I am writing it as a takeaway for what is today date for 17 January 2020. So this is what I made it bold, underline, italic. If you like blue color, I will keep it in blue. But, okay. So any doubt? And come out with the answers in the next class to the extent possible. You should do that. And if you are unable to do that, don't worry. We are there to help you. If you are unable to solve your problems, so like a parent, like caretaker, I am there to help you. Don't worry, not only now, even when you are there somewhere as a chairman, as a CMD or whatever, as people are CEOs and many are lower level general managers are also there working now. All our students are there. So now you are open to any queries anytime. But only thing is, my beloved students, now 1 week I am in quarantine, and my mobile number 9938303259 is not working, and 066124626111 my office number is not available to me. So let us hope we will be in contact through email, through NITRIS, through this MS team. All the best, my beloved students. If there are no other queries, now let me take your attendance once and then close for today. Now, let me take your attendance. Yes. Download attendance. It is over. Now, before stopping, what we have to say, CR? क्या बोलना है जी? एवंटरम्मा? Because in NEP 2020, Education Policy 2020, we should be able to teach in all languages understood by our beloved students. ठीक है? सक्षम बताइए. सक्षम जपरमा.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What you
All the best. Take care of Omicron, COVID-19, and take care of your parents. They are your living gods. And by chance, if anybody gets this COVID-19 positive result, don't worry. Only these are 4 or 5 medicines which are taken, and it is very easy. They can be simply all right. Okay, then for today, this is sufficient. And all the best. We should not enter into others classes because that is also precious as our underground coal mining. Other classes are also precious. As our Saksham said rightly, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and I can say Namaste to your parents and Dhanyavad so that they are taking care of you. Now I know very well how great troubles they are facing in taking care and giving you all these facilities to understand, to attend these classes from the remotest places wherever you are. And they are living gods. Take care of them. All the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Now I am stopping recording, and all these will be made available to you through YouTube and all the time, anytime. Okay? All the best. If you have any doubts, write to me in the emails. You know very well. And only phone, mobile, because of some problem, I am unable to use it now. All the best. Once again, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I am stopping recording now. And this will be there in YouTube, linked by your CR. I am leaving the meeting.
thank you, sir.
Jai